Oh, hello everyone. This is Jack from Study Smarter. I just wanted to thank you all for watching this video. This is to replace the meeting that we were going to have yesterday, but a lot of people couldn't make it, so I just decided to turn it into a video. So today we will be talking about some strategy and approach to studying for the SAT that I and Noel and a bunch of other tutors developed as we created Study Smarter. So just to start off, just the structure of the exam. What you have to understand about the SAT is that there are only a certain number of topics and questions that could be asked on the test. So in reality, if you studied enough, you would be able to identify what type of problem and what category is being asked in that specific question. So in theory, if you studied enough, with just a glance at the problem, you'd be able to determine how to answer it and the easiest way to go about answering that problem. Now, this is mostly for math, because with math, there are only a certain number of equations that are used on the SAT, which is why our study method works so effectively. Now, our study method, if you look on the program part and the program thread of the Discord, is you take as many practice tests as you can within a certain time period, and you go over the problems that you got wrong. You try to understand why you got them wrong and how you could do them correctly in the future. But what's important and what this process really teaches you is how to answer every type of problem featured on the SAT. Now, if you saw in the Discord, I just added 22 more tests, and I'll be purchasing other books within the next couple of days that will be added onto the Discord. Now, when you're studying, what I want you to do is try to identify, okay, I've seen this type of problem before, here's how you solve it. And you do that repeatedly, and soon enough, half of the exam will be answered before you find a problem that may stump you. And for those problems that do stump you, don't spend too much time on them. Really focus on the ones that you can answer quickly and go back to the more difficult problems for later. Now, as you continue studying, I want you guys to study with less and less time, okay? So this will teach you to be efficient and will teach you time management on the exam. So normally what I would do is study with 5 to 10 minutes less than the designated time on the actual exam. So if you're given 55 minutes for a reading section, really give yourself 45. So you read faster, you answer the problems faster, so that on the exam, you're more trained to actually answer the problems faster. Now, if you notice that you're getting a lot of problems wrong and that you're more stressed out doing this method, maybe refrain from doing it until you feel more comfortable answering the problems. But in reality, you should be able to do this within the next couple of weeks of studying if you follow the day-by-day schedule that I gave you. Other than that, that's what I wanted to go over. I want to thank you all for joining again. I will be sending out a Calendly pretty soon where you could sign up for your one-on-one tutoring sessions within the next couple of days. And with that, we'll talk more strategy and more technique. But for now, follow the day-by-day study plan. Really, it shouldn't be that hard. I believe it was about an hour per person. If you can't make that, text me and we could change and adjust based on that. But really, good luck studying, and we will talk soon.